What's going on, YouTube? Mr. Banshee Vlogger 402 coming to you. A little update. Got the 85 Yamaha Tri-Z out. Put the new Mater plastic on it. New graphics. This thing's already kind of getting beat and scratched from the way the Kickstarter is too big. Almost assuming it's not the original, but gonna do a little quick rip before it gets crappy out. I'm at the acreage. Threw the other clean meats on here with a little bit more grip. I'm out here, and like I said, we'll see if we can get a little quick video in and show you the 250. Well, pretty sure I lost my exhaust, which is completely my fault. I threw it together last night pretty fast, trying to get it out so I could ride it today, and look at me, chasing my parts around. Well, at least you guys got to see what it rips are like for a minute. Sorry that was short-lived, but I'll have to put this thing away and put a bolt on it. The smoking gun. Alright, well, that's the 350 or 250, guys. I'm sorry that was so quick. I didn't expect it to be that quick, but at least you got to see a little bit about what it does. God, I'm huffing like a fat guy who walked up a hill. So, yep, shot some oil on the case out of the pipe. So something else I got to clean up. But anyway, that's it, guys. Tell me what you think, how it looks. I mean, it runs great, obviously, but a couple loose bolts here and there apparently. So that's it for today, guys. I told you it'd be quick. Out here at the 10 acres, just showing you a little bit more. So that's it. Check you later.